Bonjour, it's Anne. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk about something which is for me really important, and which is that if you decide to start selling your handmade products, then you have to make a switch in your head from hobby to business. And you have to be very clear about why you want to sell your handmade products, okay? In my case, glass beads. Because once you start selling, either it's just because you want to have a little money to be able to buy more supplies, and then that's okay. You're not going to sell a lot, but you're going to sell some things, okay? And you can still consider that as a hobby. But if you did what I did, for example, 16 years ago now, which is leave your job, and I was a research scientist, okay, working for the food industry, and decide to open a glass studio, then your craft, which was glass in my case, shifts from hobby to business. And once it's business, it's a job, and it's your daily job. And a job isn't always as fun as a hobby was, okay? So you might lose, in part, some of the pleasure of what you are doing. So you need to be very clear about that. Because starting a business requires you to learn a lot of new skills, okay? It requires you to learn how to market, how to sell, where to sell, to whom you want to sell. This is very important. And so it will also require you, if you want to do something else than just hand to mouth, okay, which is sell as you go and never being able to actually pay yourself a salary, then you will have to learn how to structure your business and how to structure your production so that you can get to where you want to, which is having a sustainable job, okay? And I talk about that because I see so many posters, both in handmade forums and in Etsy forums, about people who have totally unrealistic expectations about that, who think that it's enough just to open a shop somewhere, or to whether it is an online shop or a brick and mortar shop, or just to do a craft fair for your products to sell. It would be great if that were the case, but it's a lot more complicated than that. So think about it. And you know, my mom used to have her own PR company, and she used to say that if you're lucky with your job, it means that you have a job you love, and in a job you love, you do 95% of the times things that bore you, but 5% of the time you do fun things, and that's for a job that you love. Because, well, you have to learn everything that you don't know how to do: managing, marketing, structuring production, and finding new customers, and it's all part of the business, and you won't last long if you don't do that, okay? So it's all for today, but think about it, because it's really important. And don't forget to register before you go, and look at the freebie links that are below, which are from my friend and business coach Renee Christine. She knows this topic really, really well, and I strongly advise you to sign up and check her free trainings. Okay. See you. Bye.